If you want to learn how to code, I have the most amazing course in the entire world for you to take. And the course is a great introduction to the Go programming language. It's a great introduction to programming. And Go is the best programming language you can learn today. There's a variety of reasons why you want to learn Go. Some of the most important ones: it's the fastest growing language in America. It's the highest paying programming language to know in America. And it's also the programming language which has the absolute best credentials out of all the programming languages. It was built by Google because Google looked around and said, hey, none of the current programming languages are meeting our needs. Let's build a new one. This is Google, the best software engineering firm to have ever existed in the history of humanity. So they wanted to build a new programming language, and they hired luminaries in computer science, some of the heaviest hitters in computer science: Rob Pike, Ken Thompson, Robert Gressimer. They hired them to create this new programming language, the Go programming language. They built it, they released it, version 1, March of 2012, and now it's the fastest growing, highest paying programming language to know in America. My Introduction to Programming course, Learn to Code course, is going to teach you all of the fundamentals of knowing how to code, and it's going to teach you that using the Go programming language. So if you are brand new to programming, I'm going to get you up to speed, and you're going to understand everything from circuits, switches, binary, numeral systems, hexadecimal, how computers work, right? Coding schemes, UTF-8, right? If you're brand new to computers, you're going to get the solid foundation in computer science to understand how it all works. If you're an experienced developer, if you've had experience working as a developer, I'm going to give you a very thorough, solid understanding and introduction to the Go programming language so you could get up and running working with the best programming language in the entire world to know today. IMHO, in my humble opinion. Check out this course outline that I've put together. The course outline is in and of itself, I don't know if you can see that, 81 pages, the course outline. And look at how well organized that is. This is an amazing course. That is just the table of contents right there that's flying back. And then every video that I've put together for you has an introduction, and all of the code samples are in there and screenshots. So like, let me just find one right here, right? Like, there are links to all of the solutions, so all of the code that I use in the course. You're going to be able to use it too. Come take this class. It's an amazing class. I know you're going to love it. 100% satisfaction, money back guaranteed, lifetime access, like a book on your shelf. Once you buy the course, you have lifetime access to it. Plus, it's a lot of fun. And you're helping support a teacher, right? There's like nothing but win-wins here. All right, so click the link. Go to greatercommons.com, greatercommons.com, and look for my Learn to Code, my Go programming course. Click the link, join us. You're going to love the class. You're going to have a good time. You'll have lifetime access, and we're going to have fun. And I look forward to seeing you in there. Last thing I'll show you is I'm just going to bring this up on Greater Commons website and show you which course icon it is. It is that one right there. Go. Go, baby, go. All right, let's go learn to code, the Go programming language. I look forward to seeing you in class. My name's Todd McLeod. See you in there. greatercommons.com. Like this video and hit subscribe. Helps other people find these videos. And then it also helps support me as a teacher, because teachers, that's why I'm hustling. Teachers don't make much money. I got a family to feed, so I really appreciate you coming and taking the class. Oh, and last thing I want to say is if you're in somewhere in the world where $20 is like too much, like you can't afford that and you just really want to code, like I totally want to empower you and enable you to do that. So just message me on Twitter, Todd McLeod, Twitter. Message me on Twitter and let me know what's going on with your circumstances, and I'll get you discounted access or free access to the course, because I'm all about the greater common good, which is why we call it Greater Commons. I'm all about helping people. And if there's a future Einstein out there, but they just happen to live in a country where $20 is a month's wages, I want to make sure you know how to code. I want to help you get to where you're going, whatever level you're at. All right, greatercommons.com. Come take the class. I look forward to seeing you in there. Woo! We're going to have fun. Bye.